Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm John, I'm here with Renan, and today we have something in the box that was sent to us for a review. So let's open it up and see. So what do we got? Do you know what that is?
Cup holders.
Cup holders, yeah. So we got two different types of cup holders to try from Kemimoto. And I'll put a link in the description. If you like these, you want to try them out on your own, just click that link and it'll take you right to the product. So they wanted us to try these out on the Stacyc, so that's why Renan's here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try these on the Stacyc, but we're also going to try them on the other bikes and see where they fit in the best at, right? Mm-hmm. So this all came about. We were at a motocross race, and Renan uses his Stacyc as kind of like a pit bike, so we were riding around, and we went to get some drinks from the food truck, and Renan had nowhere to carry that drink. So he said, I really wish I had a cup holder on this bike. So hey, that worked out, right? So we ended up getting these cup holders.
Dream come true.
Dream come true. So we'll see if it's dream come true. So we'll see if it works on the Stacyc. There's not a lot of room to play with on that handlebar, so I'm a little skeptical if it's going to fit on there or not, but I hope I'm surprised. You ready to try it out?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, let's do it. Alright, open that thing up. Let's see, what do we got?
This.
Alright, so this is it's pretty cool. It's like a little pouch. Mm-hmm. So that would work for all sorts of different types of drinks.
And it has this.
And it has a little pocket for more storage. So let's open up this one. What do we got here?
Two different?
Let's see. There's two of them, yeah.
This one's different.
Is it a bigger one?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, it's a bigger one. Yep, there's two different sizes. So there's an extra large.
I want the extra large.
You want the extra large?
Yeah.
So there's an XL and then L. Large and an extra large. I don't know if they call them large and extra large, but this one's pretty big and this one's regular size. So you're going to use them as mittens? Yeah? Alright, so let's get them on the bike and see what they look like.
Owie.
Let's see, put them up. Punch. Alright, so the Stacyc seems a little challenging to try to get a cup holder on here, so we're trying to figure out what the best way is to try to do this.
Maybe we can tie it onto this.
Alright, so we found a little spot for this velcro onto the number plate. The number plate is definitely the thing that is stopping this from going up front here. It should probably be up front like that, but this number plate is custom and we really like this, so we're not going to ditch that. So we're just going to have to make it work like this. Probably not the best spot, but I think it's a pretty cool spot. You like that spot for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Alright. Okay, there you go.
We can put Gatorade in here. Yay! Now when I get races, I have a cup holder.
Yeah. All right. So you like the bigger one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess we could put the little one on the smaller Stacyc, right?
Cowan.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try to do that. That's actually, much to my surprise, fits on there pretty good. I'm surprised that it went on actually easier than it did on the bigger bike. So the smaller size definitely is a good fit for the Stacyc eDrive 12. So Renan's got the large cup holder, and I filled him up a nice regular size Yeti full of water. You're gonna have to undo this first. There you go. Now fit it in there. Hold on. There you go. Try not to be so quick at everything. Turn around. Okay, that's in there pretty good. So let's pull up over here, Cal, and let's see your cup holder. Okay. Go ahead and put in your cup into your cup holder. So this is the medium size, smaller cup holder. Ooh, that fits good. So there we go. Tighten this up. All right, that looks like it's in there pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, so got our drinks, got our cup holders. How's it go in there? Let's see. Very good. All right, so you turn this because it's definitely going to spill. That's what we're going to test too. We're gonna see how much spills out of yours. And next thing is get our helmets and go, right? All right, let's check your cup status. How much leaked out?
One got onto my knee.
One hit your knee?
Yeah.
Still got some drink in there though. So far so good, right?
Because I drank half of it.
Because you drank half? So it looks like it's holding in there pretty good.
Yeah.
How's yours doing? Still in there? Yeah? Good. All right, keep going. Oh, there you go. You gonna try it? Whoa! It dripped out a little bit? Yeah. All right. Well, hey, you did a wheelie. The cup's still in there. Well, we know it's not gonna not drip with the open zip top on it, so you can fit it through that helmet. All right. So you gonna have a drink too? Whoa! Chug. All right. So what do you guys think of these cup holders? Let me know. Tell me.
Good.
Does it work good?
Yeah.
Does it add some value to that Stacyc?
Yeah.
Should other kids get this cup holder?
Yeah.
All right, we'll put a link in the description to the big style cup holder. It can hold a full, not a full size, but the Yeti tumbler, 20 ounce I think. What do you think of the cup holder?
If mine cup fits good in it.
Your cup fits good in there? Yeah. Yeah, you have the kids Yeti and it fits pretty good in there. Yep. Yeah, yours fits good too. All right, so would you recommend this to other kids?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so other kids with the Stacyc should use this?
Mm-hmm. And go check out our other videos.
All right, say thanks for watching. Check out our other videos about Stacycs if you like this one.
Thanks for checking our video and watch for our other videos that come out and subscribe and ring the bell.
All right, sounds good to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.